beginning of the year started off strong with a first place win at States.
Let's go!
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the fall, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls.
After accepting all competitions for the rest of the year would be canceled, I was able to refocus and get back into a consistent training routine.
Gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Leave me behind with every step I take. Yeah, cycle down, cycle down. Look my fear right in the eye. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive.
What I've learned in 2020 is that you can't control everything that happens, but what you can do is adapt and continue to work hard. Who knows what's going to happen in 2021? No one really. But what I do know is that I'll be ready, mentally and physically.